A lot of the work that was presented and that's very exciting and cutting edge actually still very experimental in nature, I think, but they are very important starts because I think these new technologies allow us to understand a lot more about disease biology and how patients respond to treatment. In terms of the use of genomics in clinical practice, I think in Asia, it is still very challenging. I think we are still mainly using fish and cytogenetics in terms of helping us to prognosticate patients, identify patients that's going to have high-risk disease, but we're not really using genetic technology to help us select treatment for patients quite yet. I think the approval in time to come of venetoclax will change this paradigm because this is a drug that works very well in patients with T1114 translocations that we can easily identify using FISH technology. So this will be particularly relevant to the practice of treating myeloma patients in Asia as the first genetically driven therapy, because this will be a group of patients that we can easily identify in Asia using the technology that we have available. Whether the use of, say, next generation sequencing will become very prevalent in Asia in years to come still will depend very much on how much the information that we derive from these next generation sequencing techniques that's going to help us change the treatment for our patients. So I think these are the information that we need to derive from ongoing clinical trials and research before they will be widely adopted in Asia, just because these technologies are still quite advanced in nature and also quite costly.